Okay students, so today we are going to start our work of page number 37. Till yesterday we have done our work till page number 36. Now we are on page number 37. So we will write the date on the top of the page and write class work. Okay, so fill in the blanks. What we have to do, we have to fill in the blanks. So look, we have to give the answer by watching this picture. Okay, so the question is, there are dash boys at the bus stop. How many boys are there at the bus stops? Find out. This is boy 1 2 3 4. There are 4 boys. There are dash girls at the bus stop. Now we have to count out the girls. 1 2 3 4. So 4 are girls, 4 are boys and 4 are girls. So now we will add 4 and 4. 4 plus 4. So how many total? 4 and 4, there are dash children at the bus stop. So total children कितने हैं bus stop पे? 4 5 6 7 8. 8. 4 and 4, we add 4 and 4 and we can count out from there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So yes, 8. We will write 8 here and we will write 8 here again. Now on the next question, there are monkeys on the tree and on the ground. So we will count out them. So there are dash monkeys in the tree. So how many monkeys are on the tree? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 monkeys are on the tree and there are dash monkeys on the ground. And how many monkeys are on the ground? Only one. One monkey is on the ground. So we will write 1 here. Now we will add them. 5 plus 1. So 5 plus 1, 5, 6. 6. But we will check out from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there are 6 monkeys altogether. There are 6 monkeys altogether. There are 6 monkeys altogether. Now we are on page number 38, and again on page number 38 you have to do the same thing that we did on the previous page. So page number 38 is your homework. Okay, page number 38 is your homework. Now we are on page number 39. So what we have to do on page number 9? Page number 39. First we have to write the date and classwork on the top of the page. Then we will solve them. How many cupcakes are there all together? 1, 2, 2 cupcakes. We will write 2 here because, and we will write 1, 2 here. And then we will add them. Because these are separate cupcakes. 2 cupcakes are placed in one plate and 2 cupcakes are placed in the another plate. So we will count them separately first. So 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 2 and 2 plus 2 1 2 3 4. You will write 4 here. There are 4 cupcakes all together. Now see how many flowers are there in all. First we will count the flowers of first vase and then second vase. So how many flowers are there in first vase? 1 2 3 4 5. 5. And how many flowers are there in second vase? 1 2 3 4. 4. Now how many flowers are there in all? Now we will count them together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we will write 9 here and we will write 9 here again. There are 9 flowers in all. Now on page number 40 you have to do the same things. First you will count one thing, then you will count another thing, and then you will write the answer all together. Same. So page number 40 is your homework. Page number 40 is your homework. Now we are on page number 41. So you will write the date on the top of the page and classwork. Okay, so here what we have to do, what we will do, fill in the blanks. Samely we have to do fill in the blanks on this page as well, but on the previous page we have pictures in all the questions, but here we have one pictures, and by watching this one pictures we have to give the answers of all questions. Okay, so look, what is the first question? First question is, how many dolls does Melling have altogether? How many dolls does Melling have altogether? Where are dolls? Oh, these are balls, these are cars, and these are the dolls. These are the dolls. So we will count. How many dolls are there in one suitcase? One suitcase. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And how many dolls are there in another showcase? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write 5 here. Now we will count them all together. We will add 4 and 5. We will count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Melling has 9 dolls altogether. Now question number B is, how many toy cars does Melling have in all? So where is toy cars? These are the toy cars. Okay. So first we will count the toy cars of one showcase. So 1, 2. So we will write 2 here. Then we will count the toy cars in another showcase. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Melling has 6 toy cars in all. Now next question is, how many balls does Melling have now? How many balls? Where is the ball? Where are the balls? There are the balls. 1, 2, 3. And there is no balls in this showcase, but one ball is in Melling hand. One ball is in Melling hand. So obviously we will count this ball as well. First we will count the balls in the showcase. 1, 2, 3. So we will write 3 here. And then we will count the ball that is in the hand of Melling. 1. So 1 ball. Now we will count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many balls Melling has? 4. Okay. Now we are on page number 42. So what we have to do on page number 42? Mind workout. Fill in each star with the number from 1 to 8. Okay. You can use each number only once. Okay. Each number we have to use only one. Okay. So we have to make 9. Just like this, they made 9 by adding 7 and 2. Look, 7, 8, 9. So what we have? 9 by adding 7 and 2. So what we have to add in 3 to make 9? What we have to add in 3 to make 9? Now count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many more number we need to make 3? 9. To make 9, 5 and 6. We need number 6 to make 9. So we will write 6 here. Just like this. What we need? Now we have 5 and we have to make 9. So how we will make? What we will add in 5 to make 9? हम क्या ऐड करेंगे 5 में कि वो 9 बन जाए? We will count like this. We have 5. We will start counting from 6. 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will add. How many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4. So we will add 4 and 5 to make it 9. We will add 4 and 5 to make it 9. Just like this. Now we have to add number in it to make it 9. So what we will add in 8 to make it 9? We have number 8. Now we will start 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many are there? 1. So we will add 1 in 8 to make it 9. We will add 1 in 8 to make it 9. Okay. Hope you all understand it. Hope you all have understand it. So we have completed our work till page number 42 including homework. Hope you all enjoyed learning with me. Okay. Jazakallah. If you didn't complete your classwork, you will complete it in the P unit break. And don't forget to do your homework. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz, students.